Hey, welcome into the channel. It's Papa Drew. We're down here in Long Beach. We're filming a little bit. I want to talk to you about customer service and what I've run into building the bus, the problems I've run into, the bad customer service, and then the outstanding customer service. These guys go above and beyond the call of duty when it comes to customer service. We're just now getting the new ramp installed on the truck. The reason why is I have a 64-inch Can-Am. They wanted to make sure that I was safe and everything was good. So what they did was they widened the ramp right here. Check this out. This is not only bad, it's badass. Look at this. Look what they did. He added this in here. He powder coated it blue because, you know, men, we have to match and accessorize our outdoor activities to match the Can-Am. It's just cool. They also took their time. This is just a really good company. He took his time. He helped me put a winch on the truck right up there. I mean, who else is going to take the time to do something like that? This company will. If you're looking for a ramp to tow your UTV, your side-by-side, your golf cart, or God forbid your Prius, this is the company to come and see. Even if you need a two-wheel tow, they can hook you up here. Pricing is very competitive. Tell them Papa Drew sent you. He'll hook you up with a discount code. This guy is amazing. I'm telling you right now, when I recommend product, it's because I use it and I stand behind it. I stand behind this product 100%. This is an awesome setup. See you out in the field. This is Papa Drew. Peace, love, and hippies, and I'm out.